down Maheshwari. Yeah. Turn now. Turn. Move. See, always you are late for turning, you know. That's the street now. Yeah. You go left from here or next year? Next one, yeah. You have to use signal, huh? From here. Can you do parking here? Parking left or right?
Parking left.
Left. Why not park right? Where's your line? You can park right.
Okay.
Right there, okay?
Okay, sure.
Okay, then. Okay, now. Steering. Okay, Maheshwari, we'll park right, huh? There, okay?
Okay, let's
So-
go little front I will.
Yeah, the mirror should be where?
Little inside the bumper.
Yeah. Okay.
And it should be ahead of that.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Make signal first. Now. But don't stop. No need to stop. Move and turn. Move your car. Exactly, yes. Continue. And you have to fix your steering here while you're inside, yes? Exactly. Go ahead. Very good. Done. You need to stop only, yes. Full parking, yes. Okay, Maheshwari. Thank you. Now we are going out, huh? So, yeah, we'll go left side. We'll go left, huh? To that. So, which lane you take? From right. Yeah, this one. Yeah, so sorry. Yeah. Like that, okay? We're going left, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Use signal. Check from right and left, no one. Take right. Go. Sorry. Fix the steering. Whatever. Okay, Maheshwari. Go ahead. You know what the speed here? Limited.
100.
Yes, 100. Exactly. Roundabout, okay? This time we'll go roundabout left. Keep going, still you are far, yeah. Okay. Now we can reduce the speed. Use signal to the left, check from left also. Keep going. There is no car from left. Okay, clear, go. You have to use what? Which lane? Left lane,
Left.
right? Yes. Go. You can drive here for this city, but control your steering, yes. Keep going. Keep going, Maheshwari, keep going. Out there. That's your exit. You have to move here. You can use the brake to reduce your speed, huh? Why is the road is, I tell you before, when you see the road from far, huh? It looks like not straight, so I have to reduce speed. Sometimes you can see also signboard on the road. I'll show you more control for staying, you know that. Change your line to the left. What you need, drive speed, Maheshwari, and then you have to come back to your line. Fast, go fast. Don't slow down, no, fast, Maheshwari. Fast, yes, drive fast. Hello. Okay, go to the right. my friend. If he's not my friend, he'll not give us this road, you know? We go right again. Right. Actually, you see now. Okay, go. Go ahead. Turn. Be careful. Speed. Drive speed, yes. You need to drive speed here because mountain, no? Actually?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Schandam Mountain. Okay, measuring. Slow down. Okay, go to roundabout street. So what you use? Which line you use? Roundabout street.
Outside line.
Right line.
Right line.
Take right line from the right, yes. Check from left, no one, go. Yeah. Keep going. You're not driving boat, car only. Try your best, okay? When you're ready, you want to go out. If you have no control, just reduce speed. So you can control your steering. Keep going, yeah. All right, now we'll go to roundabout right. So you know which lane you would take?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Right side.
Right also. But check from left. You can reduce speed before roundabout, yes. You can reduce more. So you can check. There's no one. Slow down more so you can turn lane. Okay? Signal. Check no one. Go. Yes, keep going. Good. And press. Make sure you go out again. 7. Okay, make sure. Now go to the roundabout straight, huh? Keep going. You can reduce speed from there. Yes. Yeah, from here you can reduce speed. Okay. Check no one. Take right line also. Yes. You can reduce speed, yeah? With the small one, so you can control your steering, yes. Go ahead now. Turn steering. No, you have to turn before. You are late turning. Okay, we have another one, last one.